So guys, we are asked to solve this quadratic equation using completing the square method. We're going to start this way. So whenever you're asked to solve using completing the square method, the constant term there, which is the whole number without a variable, you have to move it to the right hand side, okay? So it becomes x raised to the power 2 plus 6x equals to minus 5. So this constant term, we have to move towards the right hand side. Now, when that is done, which is the first step, the second step is the coefficient of this x variable, you have to divide it by 2. So if you divide 6 by 2, you have 3, then you square it. So you have it this way, equals to 3, and then you square. When you square this, you have 9, right? But then you're going to add it to both sides of the equation. So you're going to have x raised to the power 2 plus 6x plus 3 raised to the power 2 equals to minus 5 plus 3 raised to the power 2. Recall that 3 raised to the power 2 is 3 times 3, which is 9. So you have x raised to the power 2 plus 6x plus 3 raised to the power 2 equals to minus 5 plus 9. Now you'll be wondering why didn't I simplify this to be 9? No, it's going to work later instead of switching it back to 3 raised to the power 2 again. So we now have x raised to the power 2 plus 6x plus 3 raised to the power 2 equals to minus 5 plus 9 will give us 4, right? Now this we can simplify as x plus 3 all raised to the power of 2 equals to 4. Now furthermore, we are looking for x variable, right? For here we have to eliminate this power, and the only way to eliminate the power there is to take the square root of both sides. And when you are taking the square root of both sides, the right hand side will now have that plus and minus. So you have x plus 3 all raised to the power of 2, the square root is equals to plus or minus square root of 4. So that these two will cancel this radical, which is the square root. So you are left with x plus 3 equals to square root of 4 gives you 2. So here you have x equals to, if this crosses, it becomes plus or minus 2. If this crosses, it becomes minus 3. So x will now be equals to plus 2 minus 3 or minus 2 plus, minus 3. Then your final answer becomes x equals to plus 2 minus 3, you have minus 1 or minus 5. So this is how to go about it when you are to solve quadratic equation using completing the square method. Bye.